group, I will help you grow your personal brand, unique skills, network, and impact to add at least $100,000 to your income within 12 months. That's what this says in the About section in August of 2024. And that is my guarantee to you. If you do everything that we ask over the next 52 weeks in this program, and it does not result in $100,000 or more extra income for you, I will refund the entire $1,200 that you spend to be in this program. So let me say that one more time. If you do everything we ask you to do, you go to the weekly meetings that we're going to talk about in a second, you do the homework, you do the tactical challenges, you communicate and post and do everything that we ask, that we have so clearly planned out for you for the next 52 weeks, and it does not result in $100,000 in new income for you, I will refund the full $1,200 at the end. So you actually have nothing to lose, because if you do it and it doesn't work, you'll get refunded $1,200. And if you do it and it does work, you'll have $100,000, which is 83x your investment at $100 per month. 83x. Where else can you get that? So let's see what's here. So the first thing you'll notice is obviously the community. You'll be able to post. This is very bare because this is day one, but you'll be able to post and interact with each other. This is going to be really fun to watch that member number go up, and you'll see how that accountability and that camaraderie will really help you. Then the classroom. There will be multiple courses here. The first one that I'm uploading is one about starting events for your niche domination. I have put on 6-person salons, dinners, meetups, 20-person, 100-person. And this year in 2024, I put on a 2,000-person event called Your First Million Live at the Peacock Theater, where the Emmys and BET Awards are held. And it was absolutely amazing. Issa Rae, Rich Paul, TLC, Sheila Johnson, and so many more were part of it. And most importantly, 2,000 people came from all over the world and made memories and connections and deals together. And we're doing it again in 2025. And so I know a thing or two about events, small and large, and how they can transform your company. This is one of the courses. Its retail value is $1,500. Today, if you go to the website, it costs $14.97, I believe, to buy it, plus tax. So absolutely amazing deal right out the gate. You'll have this course, you'll have one about YouTube, you'll have others. And then what we're doing is every single week, we are going to have Zoom calls, at least one Zoom call. The very first one, and you may be watching this later, but the very first one is August 13th, 2024. It's a new member registration orientation, and you'll get to learn about what the vision is, how you can plan, and who else is in the membership. And we'll do these new member orientations throughout the year, so don't worry about it if you missed this first one. And then on the 14th, we have our very first actual course, or membership live course, which is Introduction to Personal Branding and Beyond. You're going to learn fundamentals of personal branding, effective goal setting, and we'll lay that foundation for your $100,000 goal. And we'll have this every single week. We'll have a different topic that is high value. No one's going to waste your time here. We're going to get you right to the information that you need, and then we'll archive all of this into the courses so that if you miss any, or if you join later than now, you'll be able to go back and just hit these marks one by one by one. Each week we will have homework. It won't take a lot of your time because we're trying to do it with minimal effort. Remember that as part of the formula. We'll have homework, we'll have mini challenges that you can compete with each other to do, and then we'll have tactical takeaways that you can do that week, learn something, and maybe even make money that week, even in the early days. Now, just so you know, what we're doing is basing this on my formula for value. Value equals personal brand plus unique skills, that's in parentheses, multiplied by, again, parentheses, network plus impact, close parentheses, divided by effort. If you want to know more about that formula, there is a video on my YouTube channel that talks about how to get yourself paid to exist. It's how to get paid to exist is the current title and thumbnail of that video, so you can deep dive. And I may even link it within this program here so that you don't have to go searching around or rooting around YouTube. It's going to be there for you. But we're using that formula for this entire 52 weeks to get you to your first 100,000. You do not need to start at the top of the first week. If you come in weeks later, that's when your 52 weeks starts. So I'm excited to see you there. Please introduce yourself once you're in. Ask me questions. I'm going to be here all year, jumping in live. I'll be here answering questions, and I'll be running the site. So cannot wait.